Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the text color in Lucidchart. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Lucidchart, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the text color in Lucidchart is a simple process that allows you to customize your diagrams and make them visually appealing. Not only that, changing the text color ensures that the text stands out against the background, making it easier to read. Now, I'm not going to show you how to put in a text here, but because we have a separate video on how to add text here in Lucidchart that you might want to check on our channel. But the idea is go to the text itself. You see, you would have an option here at the top wherein you can change the color that you wanted. For example, my background is orange already, so we're going to use something that pops out, maybe like a lighter black or maybe a white so that it pops out. I'm going to make it a little bit bold so that you can see that's how you change the text color in Lucidchart. All right, so if I do that again, you see you have multiple options here. You can also add a color here for the gradients if you are a little bit technical in terms of the hue and saturation, or you have a specific hex code that you want to type it here, you can do so freely. Now, you can also assign different colors to different categories of text. For example, in page 2, I'm going to create a shapes panel. For example, this one right here, right, and put in some text just like that, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. We're changing the font size, and of course the chart should be different. Like here, you see, changing the text color matches the organization's brand. For example, the brand color is going to be red. It gives your diagram a professional look, especially in business settings or when sharing with your clients, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, because bright or contrasting text colors can make your diagram more visually engaging, capturing and maintaining the viewer's attention. This is especially helpful in collaborative environments. Different text colors can be used to distinguish contributions from different team members, multiple freelancers, your client, making it easier to look and track changes or suggestions. It can help you communicate more effectively, organize content visually, and create diagrams that are both functional and visually appealing. Thank you for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. I'll see you in the next guide.